Let's see how we can use the WEEKNUM function in Google Sheets. We have the WEEKNUM function Google Sheet open and it has the data template we require. In column A, we have the serial number, from 1 to 10. Using the sequence function, with rows 10, columns 1, start 1, and step 1, in column B, we have a list of 10 dates. In column C, we want the week number, that is, we want the week number of the year, in which the date provided in column B occurs. For this, we will use the function WEEKNUM, which gives the week number of the year. It takes date and optional type as arguments. An example is shown. Let's click on Learn More. If we look at this table, we have for different type values, what would be the day week begins on, and the day week ends on. If we give the type as 1, or if we omit it, by default, the WEEKNUM function will take, day week begins on Sunday, and day week ends on Saturday. If we want, the day week begins on Monday, and day week ends on Sunday, we can use either type as 2 or 11, both will take day week begins on Monday, and day week ends on Sunday. If we want the week to begin on Tuesday, and end on Monday, then the type must be 12, and so on. Let's close this tab. For our case, we will write, equal to WEEKNUM, date will be B2. Comma type, we want the week to start on Monday, and end on Sunday, so we will give the type as 2. Let's autofill the data. So, we see that, 1st of January 2024, has week number 1, the first date of the year is in week 1, so the function returns 1. If we check from Monday to Sunday, so 7th of January 2024, also is in the same week, week 1. If we check for 8th of January 2024, it is in the second week, so we get the week number as 2. Next, if we check for 14th of January 2024, it appears in the second week of the year 2024, so we get the week number as 2. For 20th of January 2024, the week number is 1, 2, and 3, the date appears in the third week, so week number is 3. For 22nd of January 2024, the week number is 1, 2, 3, 4, so we get 4. For 1st of February 2024, if we see, in January, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and for February 5th, 5th week, so in 5th week of 2024, we get 1st of February 2024, so we get the week number as 5. For 6th of February 2024, since 1st of February was in 5th week, this is in 6th week, so we get the week number as 6. For 14th of February 2024, since 1st February 2024, was in 5th week. So, 6th, and 7th, 7th week, so 14th February 2024 falls in the 7th week of the year 2024. For 8th March 2024, we see that, from January, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 5th week. 6, 7, 8, 9, this is in the 10th week, so 8th March 2024 is in the 10th week, so we get the week number as 10. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the WEEKNUM function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.